Hi everyone. In this demo, I will quickly walk through our GitHub repository and notebook pipeline for our project Emotion Detection in Text using pattern recognition and neural networks. Here's how we met the submission requirement. We created a public GitHub repository with a complete README file, our Python files, and unexecuted final project files. So in README file that explains the project and links to our pre-recorded presentation video, slides, report, dataset, and a short demo clip. And we included an executed final project.ipynb file showing how to run everything end to end. In parallel, we organized a Google Drive folder with the same name, shared as anyone with the link, and structured it into the required subfolders, dataset, presentation, and report. So all materials are easy to access and verify. Now let's go to our IPYNV file. So here, first we will be importing all our necessary imports, and in this file, we will be loading the dataset, preprocess it, train a bidirectional LSTM model, evaluate it with accuracy and a confusion matrix, and finally, we will show the Gradio chatbot UI that gives emoji-based responses, memory recall, and a probability plot. So first, we load a public emotion labeled dataset, and the memory map the original labels into four classes: happy, sad, angry, and neutral. We use a standard train val test split: 16,000 training, 2,000 validation, and 2,000 test samples. So evaluation is consistent and reproducible. Now next is our pre-processing and sequences. So here let's go to pre-processing. Okay. So we normalize text by lowercasing and cleaning punctuations, then convert words into integer sequences using a Keras tokenizer with a limited vocabulary about 15,000 words. Finally, we pad or truncate every sequence into a fixed length of 64 tokens so the neutral network gets consistent input size. So after this step, every text become a fixed length numeric vector the model can learn from. So as you can see this output, 64 token, and all the outputs are shown on this table. Then uh, next is model creation plus training. So here we build the core model, a bidirectional LSTM model. The embedding layer learns word representations. The BiLSTM captures context from both past and future words, and dropouts help reduce overfitting. We train with Adam and cross entropy and save the best model to our model.h5 file for deployment. If you if you see here, you can see the training running for few epochs which we already trained and kept, and the validation tracking closely, which indicates stable learning. Then our next is evaluation of the training curves and validation curves. So accuracy increases and loss decreases steadily. If you see in this graph, with minimal gap, we suggest the model generalizes reasonably. Then we evaluate on the test set using a confusion matrix and per class matrix. So over the BiLSTM achieves nearly 90% plus accuracy and performs well across the four emotions, with most confusion happening around neutral and vs weak emotional statement, which is expected because those can be semantically close. Now, after training, we load the saved model and tokenizer into a Gradio based chatbot. Okay. Okay, so what this chatbot does, it does three extra things beyond classification. It generates emotion aware responses with emojis to make tone clear. It includes a confidence based fallback. If the model is uncertain, it avoids overconfident wrong replies. It keeps session memory and supports recall using TF-IDF plus cosine similarity. So if the user asks, "Do you remember?" it retrieves relevant prior messages. Now I will quickly show the interface. The chat window, let's go to the Gradio. Let's open the Gradio. So to open the Gradio, we need to click on this link which is generated in the output. Now our Gradio chatbot is open. Now here we will give various sentences and detect various emotions. So first sentence is, "I am happy to go for a vacation." It detects, yes, emotional detector is happy. We can see the emotion probabilities at the down. Happy got the most, and then others. Now let's see with the next sentences. Also it shows the confidence level. Next is a kind of an angry or angry sentence like, "I am frustrated." It detected an emotion angry with confidence level 0.41. Let's go for the next sentence. "I'm sad to stay at home." So it was a sad emotion and it detected correctly. Let's see if it remembers what we fed. And "my name is Ratika" is a neutral sentence. So it detected an emotion neutral. "What is my name? Do you remember?" Let's see if it remembers or not. Okay, let's try with another statement. Let's try with "my favorite color is purple." Okay, it's a neutral sentence. "What is my favorite color?" "Do you remember?" Oh, it said "my favorite color is purple." So our chatbot, this shows that our chatbot remembers our memory and give us the answer based on that. Thank you. That was all about our demo.